Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own clip-ins. I personally love clip-ins just because you can take them out whenever you want to and they're super easy and customizable. So let me get right into it. Okay, to get started, you're going to need a bundle of weaving hair along with some weaving thread and a weaving needle. I got mine at Sally's Beauty Supply. You can order it online on Amazon. I purchased my hair at Pauline's Hair here in Los Angeles, California. So first, we're gonna get a decent amount of thread going. My needle, I always lick the tip a little bit so it slides in easier, which it's not doing right now. And if you have any difficulty, you could always just cut it a little bit and then try re-threading it, which is taking a really long time. Just got it. Okay. That was really difficult. Okay, so I'm gonna use, I don't know, I just guesstimate how much thread I'm going to use. Cut it. It's pretty long. So I'm going to knot the top, which I go through several times. So you want your knot to be pretty thick there, and you're going to cut the rest off as close as possible without loosening the knot. And then you're going to want to cut your weaving pieces according to where you want to put it. So because my hair is longer in the back and shorter in the front, I'm just gonna cut pieces to sort of fill the front out so my hair is even all the way around. My hair is pretty thick already, so I don't wanna make it too full right now. I'm just gonna measure according to where my lowest piece would be. Probably a little lower than that. Should have grabbed a hair clip, but I didn't. So I cut a piece about this wide. I would like to double it. So that's about as wide as a track I would make. So it doubled. Would be perfect right here, and it'll blend into the back to make it look even all together. So this piece here, you want to get some wig clips. I got these at Sally's also. You can also order these online too. I like the small ones so that I feel like they grasp my hair at my root better than the big ones, especially when my hair is super straight, because I just got my hair done. It's harder to use the clip-ins when I've tried the bigger clips, so I prefer personally the small ones. So with my weft, I'm gonna take my needle and then just measure that right at the tip there and go right through. These things are really thick, so be careful. You could definitely poke yourself trying to get the needle through the weft, because I'm doubling them up because my hair is thick, so I need to make my clip-ins doubled so that it blends better. So depending on how thick your hair is or thin, you should do it that way. And then sometimes the thread will get a little knotted. You just want to pull it back, make sure there's no hair in it. now that I've kind of have this piece sewn together, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my clip. I'm gonna sew it on this side because when I clip in, it will lay that way. So I'm gonna go ahead and loop this through. You know, they need a little support. And then show you guys here. Loop it right through again. Okay, so this side I have cut and put in my clip-ins. So we're gonna do the right side. So just comb out the hair. And I kind of go a little further back here on the bottom one just so the length blends. So always hold down on them so I don't comb them out, just because when my hair is super straight, they slide out a lot easier when I comb through them. So this one I could cut a little better. So I use this little razor on a stick. I got it at Sally's also. You just want to start just cutting. Kind of just let it fall. And because I just got a trim today, I might just use the scissors. Well, these are not hair scissors, but I don't really care. And cut off a little bit, and then I can go with the razor blade. Still a little long. There we go. Now this is the finished product. I love how they perfectly blend with my hair. They curl easy and they're super customizable. I can make more if I need it, or if I don't, I can wear them without. And that's what I love about clip-ins, because you can take them out whenever you want to. I personally like making my own clip-ins because you're able to personalize them a little bit more than pre-bought ones, meaning the depth of the wefts or doubling it up on the clip-on because you want more volume. So I personally think it's super easy to do. It takes you about an hour to make maybe 5 pieces and you're good to go. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you tune in next time.